mulberry leaves, and they spin this cocoon around themselves. And afterwards they open a hole and come out as a moth, like a butterfly. They lay their eggs and then they die. But when they open a hole on this cocoon, you cannot get the continuous fiber, continuous silk fiber, because that little silkworm spins this cocoon around themselves with a continuous silk fiber, which they spread through their mouth as their saliva. The saliva of the silkworm is silk fiber. And afterwards we put them in hot water, melt the gum which keeps this cocoon in shape, and we punch them with this brush and catch the beginning of that silk fibers on those cocoons. Buyur kardeş. Look at this. Cemo, Mr. Cemo, my friend, he is going to catch the first layer of those silk fibers on those cocoons. You see that? Those are the silk fibers coming out from those cocoons. Dear guest, each cocoon, the fiber, silk fiber, about 1.5 kilometers. Continuous silk fiber, 1.5 kilometers.
How long do it take to spin this size?
For the silkworm, they spin this in 5 days. 5 days, they spin a cocoon around themselves with a continuous silk fiber, which is about 1500 meters.
So in that case, you can allow it to spin to be bigger, right?
No.
No. Why?
Because they have their life.
Oh, their life is only
5 days. 5 days they make cocoon, and afterwards they turn into butterfly inside. Metamorphosis inside.
Okay.
And you see, ladies and gentlemen, please look. We have, we have all these fibers, you see that?
Yes.
Like 25 or 30 of them together. Yeah. Very strong. Now leave it to me, please. I'll show you something. Look at that. Like 25 fibers together, and when I hold all of them together and unravel, they stick to each other because they have a sticky gum. And this helps me to get it in higher thickness, you know. And what we do is we set them through this machinery around the hole here, bobbin to the wheel, and we start the machine. Çalıştır doktor. Watch the machine. Please open some space around it. The wheel will turn. Take one, my friend.
Don't you control
Look at that.
controls it 7 cocoon for the one side?
It does come. It's like 25, 30. Doesn't make a difference. Yeah, he knows that. I take, look at this, open your hand.
What is that?
Nothing. The fiber is being cut out. See? See? The fiber is gone.